Everybody likes the video with molten copper, but I want to remind you that there is something else as hot as molten copper, namely 1000 degrees glowing ball. Actually, I already have some videos with it, but today I want to mix temperatures 1000 degrees and minus 196 degrees. And just to make it more sweet, I add a little Nutella. Okay, just a few comments from the past video. Wait a bit, everything has already happened. I only need to edit that video. We'll save this one for the next month. Okay, let's start. First, we will warm this metal ball up until it's glowing. Looks like we are ready, so let's just do that. Holy! Nutella is burning! Should the food burn? Okay, let's extinguish this fire with liquid nitrogen. With what else should I do that on this channel? Just can't understand. Hear the ice, but it's still the smoke from the burning Nutella. Guys, how do you like this experiment? And remember that I will show in my next videos the most crazy unusual ideas for my new experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.